Hello everyone, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. I'm here to plan for the week of June 10th through 16th in my Sterling Ink A5 Common Planner, and I'm going to be using some stickers from my newest release. We have the ice cream deco, the quote and washi, and the circles. Let's get started. What I think I'm going to do for the circles is actually cut these in half, and then I will spread them around or put them around like the edges of the spread. Do these ones as well. I may not use all of them, but that's okay. So I'm going to, place, a couple down here. Then actually, I'm gonna place a purple one on top like this, and then place one of the ice cream cones. I guess I want to see how far I can go up. I can go to about there, so I can actually do a bigger ice cream cone. Let's do this one. I can go to about, I guess, the 7. There, and then add, sorry for my head being in the way, a cherry. Cute. Then I will add Life is Like Ice Cream, enjoy it before it melts. And I wanted to use this because I love the colors of this. I feel like I should have used a travel one this week though, because my husband and I are going away for our anniversary. Ooh, this one's stuck. So we are going away for our anniversary, and I am also celebrating, I guess, a big life change. I can finally say it. My last day at my job or in office is going to be on Wednesday the 12th, because I am starting a new job as of the 24th of June. And it's going to be a huge change for me just because I have been with my company for almost 9 years, and it's crazy to me that, you know, I'm changing completely. And it is a big change just because I will be kind of, I say demoting, but I'm going from like a supervisor position back to a support position. But part of that really was because I'm glad to be switching to a different company, but two, it's really the offer that was okay. I feel like I'm not explaining myself very well because I'm trying to plan and talk about my story at the same time, but really it was just the time had come for me to change, and I'm looking forward to the new opportunities that this new company will bring. So I'm gonna actually place it like this so it looks like there's ice cream on top of that. Oh, I like that. Okay, then let's flip this around so that I can place some circles down at the top here so that I can spread that out. But I've planned it so that I can use up the last of my vacation days and get a week off, a week and a half off really, before I start the new job. Oh, there goes my printer. But yeah, my husband and I are going away this weekend for our 16-year wedding anniversary. And we are going away to Kelowna. So it's like the wine country in British Columbia. Okay. Oh, I love using the circles like that. I think it looks really cool having the circles like that. Okay. I still have a few that I might use. Then let's see. I might use this one in the middle here. Oops, like so, which is okay. Oh, hold on. I think I might just place this like this, but that kind of blocks out some of the time. And I don't necessarily want to block off too much of the hourly. I like being able to, yeah. Sometimes the sticker just wants to go down by itself. Okay, just put it down. Okay, all right, then where's that deco sticker? And then I'm gonna add, I think really, I love the purple. And then I can use up the rest of the cherries around this red as well. I'm not normally like a cherry on top sundae person. I'm not normally an ice cream person to begin with, but I won't say no to it. Okay. And then I still have these. I don't know whether I'm going to use them or not, but I'll keep them around here. Okay. So where's the pen I want to use? The pen I want to use is going to be the Goulet pens, Franklin-Christoph. This is my newest pen, and it has Wearingeul Persephone in it, which is a gorgeous purple color. So I'm going to make sure that I have a blotting card. So on the side here, I'm going to write down the sleep score. This purple matches perfectly. And draw in the sleep chart. And for me, I don't always fill this out, but it's nice for me to be able to see it. Here we go. And then I'm just thinking, do I have any other inks that are similar to these colors that would work? And I think that possibly, I almost want to just use purple for this whole thing, because purple is not as prevalent a color in this whole collection. That's okay. And workouts are going to be a bit different because I won't be at home to do all of my workouts, but I'll get as much weight training in as I can. What week am I on? 5. This is lower. Wednesday, week 5, upper. Thursday, I will try get some of a stepper in before we leave for the airport. Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. We'll see what I can get in during that time. Okay, then on Monday, work. Gosh, this pen and ink combination is so smooth. And I love the shimmers in it. And then I have to meal plan and order groceries, but we're actually picking them up on a different day this week because we're on vacation on the day that we'd normally pick it up. I do feel like I should use a different pen color, but I don't, do I really want to? Yes, I do want to use a different pen color. Let's use my TWSBI Eco with the cream rose gold. And, oh yeah, that matches perfectly. I love it when my fountain pen ink matches the spread that I'm using. And then here it'll be put out garbage. And let me get a little icon for that. There it is. It's my little garbage can icon. These are still available in my shop. I love how they just fit in the hourly, just like that. Then Wednesday, I will, ouch, just banged my hand on the table. I will put in for work, and it's my last day. That's crazy. And then we will need to do things like pack laundry. I will be doing laundry on Monday, so we can probably do some of the packing here, but I won't put it in as of yet. Then we fly out on Friday. or the Thursday, I know what I can put in here. I can put in our dinner reservations. 6, because that is in the schedule, that those reservations have been made. And then Friday, some more reservations. Friday is actually our anniversary. So then Friday, 6 o'clock. Okay, and then I'm not gonna put anything else except, let's see here, because for privacy purposes, I'm not gonna put in my flight details or anything in here. But here we go. Pick up groceries, and we'll pick up groceries when we get back on Sunday. So probably schedule them for about 2. And then we have dinner at my parents' house for Father's Day, so 2 o'clock. Big. Okay. Then family dinner at my parents' house. I think my parents said come over at like 4:30 or 5, so I'll just place that here. And basically in that time, I will be putting things in the laundry. So, whoops, Father's Day dinner, and this will be at my parents' house. All right, I know it seems really empty at the moment, but that's because whenever I go on vacation, I fill these in as I go, and I am actually filming this week as a week in the life, so you'll get to see us on vacation as well. Ooh, one thing I will put down here are my habits. So I want to listen to audiobook, or my audiobook, for at least, you know, half an hour every day, read 10 to 15 pages, and then meditate. I have been really bad at meditating, so I really want to try and get back into it. Okay, perfect. Now that those things are done, I feel like I could probably get some of these smaller ones in there, like the smaller cherries. Like, how cute. And some of the smaller ice cream. I love that. All right, you know what, I'm gonna leave it. I'm not gonna overload it with stuff. Okay, let's have a quick cleanup. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you for joining me on this very quick plan with me, just filling in a few things where I can. And I feel like this is, you know, a big week. Last day at work and then going on vacation. Very, very excited. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you all so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, and have yourselves a great day.